Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear class. This is Ikhlaq here and welcome to my next lecture of Software Quality Assurance. The course code is ITEC 4122. In our last lecture we were talking about the software quality matrix classifications. If you remember, we discussed about the types of the matrix and the category of the matrix and what matrix to use. ये टॉपिक जो है वो हमारा रहता था और मेजरमेंट स्केल्स जो हैं डिफरेंट. सो दीज टू टॉपिक्स वी लेफ्ट इन आवर प्रीवियस लेक्चर. और स्कोप्स ऑफ 3 क्वालिटी मैट्रिक्स ये भी हमने क्लियर कर लिया था. और 7 कॉमनली ट्रैक्ड मेजर्स थे. इनको हम जस्ट एक बर्ड आई व्यू इसका लेते हैं. सो दीज वर बेसिक 2 टाइप्स ऑफ द यूजेस ऑफ प्रोसेस मैट्रिक्स, प्राइवेट मैट्रिक्स और public metrics थे. Then we categorized as direct measures and indirect measures. और साइज ओरिएंटेड मैट्रिक्स क्या होते हैं इनको हमने डिस्कस किया था. फंक्शनल ओरिएंटेड मैट्रिक्स और फंक्शन पॉइंट्स को हमने पढ़ा था. दिस वाज अबाउट द स्कोप्स ऑफ 3 क्वालिटी मेजर्स विच वर प्रोजेक्ट, प्रोसेस एंड द प्रोडक्ट मेजर्स. उसके हमने इन डिटेल डिस्कस किए थे. And we discussed about the 7 commonly tracked measures starting from number of the defects and up to the complexity. Pardon. आज हमारा जो एजेंडा है that is what metrics to choose. उसमें एजल मैट्रिक्स थे और प्रोडक्शन मैट्रिक्स हैं, सिक्योरिटी रिस्पांस मैट्रिक्स हैं, साइज ओरिएंटेड मेजरमेंट्स हैं, फंक्शन ओरिएंटेड मेथड्स हैं, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस मैट्रिक्स और कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन. और इसके बाद हम करेंगे मेजरमेंट स्किल्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इन डिटेल. इनको ट्राई करते हैं कि हम थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करें अबाउट द एजल measurements. Agile measurements are used to find out the ways to enhance the process of the software development. Usually lead time, cycle time, team velocity and open and close rates are taken into account in Agile metrics. Now lead time determines basically the time taken by the team to generate ideas, develop and deliver a software product. Simply put, it's a time from start to finish that is taken by completing a product or a service. Reducing this period of time can help improve the ways how quickly and positively team members are to their customers. Cycle time is basically the part of the lead time that is taken for the developing software and applying it in production. There is a clear visual aid to demonstrate the difference between the lead time and the cycle time. And velocity is used to schedule sprints or iterations and assesses the team's performance. The objective of the velocity metric is to estimate the time taken for completing a certain number of the units and to plan the future projects with regard to how fast the previous tasks were completed. Production metrics, this type of the metric assesses the scope of assignment done and measures the productivity of the software teams. Typically, it estimates the operation speed and it has the following quantifiers. For example, active days, the time spent by the programmer to develop a code, not including the time for the planning and the other minor activities. Active delays help to find out the hidden cost as well. Similarly, task scope is a volume of the code a programmer can deliver yearly. This quantifier determines the number of the developers needed to make the software development team. Then is productivity, which is a volume of code that is efficiently produced by the developer. And the time between the failures and the repairs. Failure is sometimes something any software development cannot avoid, and that's why it is important to measure the mean time between such failures and the recoveries. and the scope of the code lines produced, changed or deleted. Apps crash rate is the correlation